Calories are the energy your body uses for everything from resting to physical activity and even digestion. While some foods may claim to burn more calories than they provide, the reality is a bit different. Choosing foods that are naturally low in calories can help you manage your calorie intake effectively. Take asparagus and beets, for example. Asparagus, with its vibrant green stalks, packs only 27 calories per cup and is rich in vitamins K and folate. Broccoli, known for its cancer-fighting properties, offers just 31 calories per cup. Meanwhile, a comforting bowl of broth contains as little as 7 calories per cup, depending on the type. Brussels sprouts and cabbage are nutritional powerhouses, each providing around 40 calories per cup. Carrots, praised for their eye health benefits, clock in at 53 calories per cup. Cauliflower, a versatile substitute, contains only 25 calories per cup. Celery's high water content makes it incredibly low in calories, with just 18 calories per cup. Chard, on the other hand, offers a mere 7 calories per cup and is loaded with vitamin K. For a burst of vitamin C, reach for clementines, which have only 35 calories each. Cucumbers, made up mostly of water, provide just 8 calories per half cup. Garlic, known for its health benefits like lowering blood pressure, contains a negligible 5 calories per clove. Meanwhile, half a grapefruit boasts only 52 calories. Iceberg lettuce may surprise you with its nutritional content, offering just 10 calories per cup. Kale, a nutritional superstar, has 34 calories per cup and is packed with vitamin K. Lemons and limes add zing to your dishes with only 8 calories per fluid ounce of juice. Mushrooms, a favorite meat substitute, offer only 15 calories per cup. Onions, with their distinctive flavor, contain about 44 calories per medium-sized bulb. Peppers, rich in antioxidants, have 46 calories per cup. Papaya, tropical and refreshing, provides only 55 calories per cup. Radishes, crunchy and colorful, contain only 19 calories per cup. Strawberries, known for their sweetness, have less than 50 calories per cup. Spinach, a nutrient powerhouse, boasts only 7 calories per cup. Tomatoes, versatile and rich in lycopene, contain just 27 calories per cup. Turnips, often added to hearty dishes, have 37 calories per cup. Watermelon, hydrating and delicious, contains 46 calories per cup. Zucchini, perfect for spiralizing, has only 18 calories per cup. And don't forget about low-calorie beverages like herbal tea, coffee, and water, which can help you stay hydrated and manage your calorie intake. Lastly, herbs and spices such as basil and cinnamon add flavor without adding significant calories, making them perfect additions to any dish. By incorporating these delicious, nutrient-packed foods into your diet, you can enjoy satisfying meals while managing your calorie intake effectively. Here's to healthy eating. Don't forget to push that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!